today discussing about the restore the file context, default file context. So what happened, guys? Let me do first. We have created any file before previously, and after creating the file we have seen some type of the content we have discussed. So do you know what is the command to check the SELinux label? ls-z. So this is the command we are using to check the context of any file, SELinux context. Okay, so I am going to create a file by using the touch command and SELinux file .txt, and when I am going to use the ls-z, so you can see the unconfined u object or user home, this one. Okay, another sometime we have created the directory, web directory. Okay, so I am going to run ls-z and /web directory. So now I am going to create a file, touch file into the /webdir on this directory. I am going to create a file inside this, the new file .txt, because I need to be sudo here. So put the password after running this command, and now I am going to run the same command previously I have used, and inside this you will see the unconfined object http syscontent and new file.txt, and here is SELinux file.txt, right? So right now I am going to copy this file, sudo cp, and use the file name here and followed by the directory webdir. In this file I am going to copy this file. Okay, in this directory webdir I am going to copy this file SELinux.file.txt. Now I am going to run again the ls-z. So what you are looking here, the SELinux.file.txt, whatever the content was there or the SC context was there, has been inherited, has been changed. Here you can see. So that is the reason the context has been changed. So when the context is changed, so the new type of the permission has been enabled, or new type of the label has been enabled, right? So if you want to restore the configuration, so you can use the restorecon command and restorecon, and now I need to give the file name. So the default should be stored webdir, and inside this SELinux file.txt. Again I am running this. Now the content has not been changed, still content has not been changed. So I am going to copy again the file cp sudo cp -a, and then give the file name SELinux.txt, and in the file name is a webdir, and the name is a new file, sc new file.txt, and again I am going to run this lfz. So now you can see the content of the old file is available here. Sometime you are copying the some data from one file to another file, another to another, they are going to be inherited. So you need to be run a create a file touch command dot slash auto relabel, and now I am going to reboot the file. It will take a short time to reboot this. So right now what you are looking here, the old content has been deployed. If you want to be restored, there is a two option. One option is you need to be create the auto relabel file into the slash. So I have created, but it is not displaying. Why? Because I need to be use the -a option to check the auto relabel exists or not. So after completing the relabeling, I need to be remove this copy rm and slash dot auto relabel. Okay. So I am going to copy again the file SELinux file.txt, cp and SELinux txt into the slash web dir and new file file2, okay, .txt. So right now if I am running again this ls-z, so you can see the file2 have the new content, not the old content. Old content does not exist. So in this case what I need to do, I need to run again the command sudo restorecon -r and b and slash. So it will try to find out and relabel all the content. Okay, so whatever the default context deployed or apply for a specific file, it will be relabel automatically. Because if it is not default relabeling, then you will face some type of the issues. In the sense of the issue means either the permission is denied, either you cannot access any specific file, or something permission you will face. So in this case auto relabel is required if the SELinux is running on your system. If SELinux is disabled, so the data will be copied with its default context or the original context. Okay, so it will take a short time. So let's move on. If you have any question related to the auto relabel, so you can ask.